everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to create invoice on Quickbooks. First you need to open up the Quickbooks and from the home page, there's a shortcut section and you see create invoice, click on it. So now you can write, this is our invoice as you can see. So you fill it in by selecting the customer, putting the customer email, billing address, net, invoice date, due date, invoice number, tag, content service, description, quantity, rating, month. You can also add more lines if it's more than one product. You can also add an email on the invoice, that's a message on the invoice. You can also add statements to customer that will show up as the description for the invoice. You can also add attachments of maximum of 20 megabytes. Control everything. Then you save. Now let's say this is a sample customer. Let's say this is the invoice for the customer. So let's say this is the tag. Let's say what I need for the person wants to book editing. So content service. Select the product or service. You choose the one you want according to what you're doing. Just call it product. Let's see the quantity is X. Now let's look at the amount. Let's say 60. Which is 60 per quantity. It's giving us the total. Let's say the rate for this one is 1. It's giving us the total. You can add more as you can see. I want to choose, you can see a total and a balance here. You can save it and give the invoice, or you can save and send the invoice, depends on you. If you click on the side, this arrow down, you can see save and create a new invoice, save and close the invoice, save and share the invoice link, or save and share through WhatsApp. So it depends on you. Just click it, and you can also print or preview it by clicking this place. You can also customize by clicking here. You can cancel and place. It all depends on you. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.